And now we are going to study some particular case of the representation, like a abelian group. After you study the compact group, and later you study the Lie group, connected Lie group, and we go after to the induced representation. Now I'll start with the case, the abelian case. Theory of representation, abelian case. Abelian case. It's always in the representation. We are your group is abelian. Is commutative. Let J be a commutative group. Commutative locally compact group. J is a commutative locally compact group. We start to study a little the representation of this kind of group. The first property of this about 2 or 3 main properties of this case. When G is abelian, you have 2 or 3 main properties of this case. The first one is that if your pi, if pi is a unitary, irreducible representation of J, then the pi equal to 1. Then the degree of the representation is necessarily equal to 1. And any English representation of abelian group is necessary of one dimensional. One dimensional. Is one dimensional. Any unitary English representation of abelian group, the group is abelian, is necessarily one dimensional. And this kind of plan, you call it a character. Pi is called, in this case, a character. A character of J. And the set of all characters of J is just like this. The set of all characters of J is denoted by G like this. This G like this. That we call the set of this kind of characters, which is a group. A group of characters. It's this kind of group. That means that if you take that the law in the group is very simple. So it's also a representation by that is like this. That is like this. It's the map like this. It's also a representation by also the image in C. For all x here, you get that this one is f of x. It's just rotation. You can notate that this is also x like this. It's just notation. Which verify this condition. S1 of S1, S2 is equal to S1, just a character. Even if this condition also, you have to know, they want for the condition of the theory of representation. So this is a character. You can look at the kind of is also a character. I'll give you some examples. Suppose when before it like R, like Rn, so like is also a commutative group, which is also commutative group, locally commutative group, additive group also is this kind of group. Then for all pi, you can get here, you can for all representation pi, which is this R N like this representation of Rn like this and then from Hilbert space like this, there kind of representation like this, right? We can show that there exists lambda which is also in Rn, such that the pi is equivalent to pi lambda, where pi lambda is just defined like this of x, the exponential of I and lambda scalar of x like this kind of notation. And anyway, this in one time I note by h like this, h of x is that's the exponential of f of h here of h. This here is just this is that the sum of h1 h2 is just the scalar product of in Rn. Then for all pi, you can get lambda here, check that you are this. Then your Rn is that identified to Rn. Any character of here is you can get some list element inside that with this condition. Then you have the first condition here is R. It depends on the resist one. Then you have this condition. I give you another one for the torus. It also can prove easily that the torus also. Let us consider. The torus that is T at least. One dimensional torus. What the normal torus, yeah. This torus, which is identified to the set of the complex one. Here is contain the element here, such that the model is equal to 1. Then we can use this equivalent. We can prove it easily, using the fact that if you consider this map of R into this condition, this map like this, for all x, you can get the exponential of 2 pi I x, this kind of condition. This kind of conditions, and when is linear, is subjective, and when you compute the kernel of f is like exactly equal to z. Then R, the quotient of z is that isomorphic to this map. What I mean here, this kind of way. This here is what we call the torus of one dimension. This kind of way. And we already proved that this torus, the dual, the set of character of this torus is exactly equal to z. That means that when we take a representation like this, right, for all representation, what is representation of T of this torus like this, you can get some n, the element of z, such that your pi might be equivalent to your pi n here, this pi n, where pi n of x is the exponential of I and x. Not x, but put x here, your n of that. It's the exponential of this eta, this kind of representation. So you have any representation. So then the dual, the set of characters of this one is equal to z. This group is also a group. It is commutative group. Compact group is compact because this is compact. Its compact group have very, very good group, connected group, and so on. That is not the choice. By not simply connected. Okay, it's the first property you can get for the abelian group, any irreducible unitary representation of abelian group in necessarily one dimension. Where you can get it. Okay, you can get in your mind. The second property you can have is that is what we call the theorem of, we call it Snack theorem. It's theorem of Snack. This for many mathematicians. This is called the name of Stone. This is called Nemack. This is Ambrose. This is Goldman. There are four to prove this kind of theorem. Now, if you have a pi here, let pi be a unitary representation continuous representation of the abelian group G, like this. And this kind of, this abelian G like this. Then there exists there exists a spectral measure denoted like this on each dual of this, such that you have this condition. When you take that pi of x like this, pi of x is exactly the integral of here of x of like this. What I put just now, the view of d of your element of your dual, like this kind of thought. So that this is also denoted by x of x, like just image of this character. This is G, the dual of the set of character of this kind of group. Then you can get some spectral measure, measure like this, text like this also condition, what you call the theorem of Mach. Very important also this kind of theorem. Okay, the third property you can get in abelian case will be the duality of quantity. There are four main properties for the abelian the theory of abelian group. This is a duality of punctuality. Is also is very useful. That's here you just identify the B dual of here. We identify P flow of J is just is identified of your group. Here is just that means if we take the B dual is a map from here into C, such that you have this, you can have the B dual of that's the dual of the dual. The dual of the dual, called the B dual. The B dual of this. So identify the B dual of D to the group. We call this one the duality of contraction. Is the third main property we get, and also in this case. Okay, thanks. Now let us study now the case of compact case. What I'm saying that for this group of this you will see the details in my box. in my book, and see all the details in what you call the non-commutative Fourier analysis. Yeah, no, non-commutative Fourier analysis. You get it? Edilive in France. You can complete it in Google, you'll see the book, and there are more detailed in it. And what I'm saying, my course, everything is inside, and non-commutative Fourier analysis. I have another one which is also abstract harmonic analysis. It also is also in France, and in the publishing price, publishing edition is like this. Is PAF. We call it the press academic francophone. PAF also. I have another book. This one is what this. This contains. This one, the type is abstract harmonic analysis. You can get it also. So we start to representation of compact group. And this is compact.